Hi, I'm Ben from Motivation to Invest. Our mission is to motivate you to invest for your financial freedom. Whether that means escaping the 9-to-5 drudgery or just improving your quality of life, I'm here to help you by providing you with valuable investing tips and strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss day trading versus long-term investing. I'm going to compare and contrast these two different strategies and see which is better to grow your wealth. Let's dive in. So what is day trading? Day traders buy and sell securities in short time windows such as 1 day or even 1 week. Day traders take advantage of very small price fluctuations throughout a day. They use risky leverage to enhance their rewards. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is a common market where day traders operate. For example, a day trader can take advantage of the tiny price fluctuations between Great British pounds and US dollars. For instance, if the exchange rate between Great British pounds and US dollars is 1.313 and a day trader invests £1,000, and then throughout the day this exchange rate increases to 1.314 and the trader sold, he would make just $1 profit. However, day traders use risky leverage to enhance that $1 by a multiple of 100 or a multiple of 200 or even a multiple of 400. For example, on an investment of £1,000 and a day trader using a 1 to 100 leverage ratio, it would be the equivalent of him having £100,000 in that trade. Now, he won't lose £100,000 if the trade doesn't go through. He'll just lose the ratio which he would have gained. Using this 1 to 100 leverage ratio, when the exchange rate goes up to 1.314 and the trader sold, he would then make $100. Now, traders do this multiple times in a day. I know many who make between £500 and £1,000 a day. However, the use of leverage not only magnifies your reward, but also magnifies your risk. And there are also fees for using this broker service, who is effectively borrowing you a portion of the money as you do the trade. How does a trader know if the price will increase? Day traders attempt to predict if the exchange rate will increase or decrease by using software tools and complex mathematical graphs called a divergence. These graphs attempt to predict and model which way the market is going to go. Now, they are not always accurate, and the major skill relies on the day trader to utilize those mathematical tools. Can you make money with day trading? The answer to this is yes. However, it requires a large amount of risk and also a massive time commitment to learn the necessary skills to become a Forex pro. Becoming a skilled day trader is like learning a profession. I know a few very skilled and very talented day traders who have been trading for many years. They make approximately £1,000 a day, spending roughly 5 hours trading each day. Now, I know what you're thinking. £1,000 a day for 5 hours work sounds like a dream job. However, you will find that most people who attempt to try day trading will not make significant sums. For example, I know many people who have tried day trading and they tend to be up $100 one day, down $50 the next day, up again the next day, down again the next day, and at the end of a whole week of spending lots of hours rigorously day trading, they will only be up $50. Now, if you compare that to just a normal 9-to-5 job, you'd be better off in a 9-to-5 job because you'd earn more, you'd earn a more reliable income. It'd take the same amount of time as in both areas you're exchanging your time for your money. And with day trading, you've normally got that large risk. Whereas with a normal job, you don't have to risk your own money. Usually, learning how to be a successful day trader requires an in-depth training course. These online training courses can be very expensive. Many of these online courses are labelled as scams, as they depict a glamorous lifestyle supposedly paid for by day trading. However, as the old saying goes, if you can't do, teach. And I suspect many of these online training providers had their glamorous lifestyle created from the people who had paid £1,000 each for one of their courses. 100 people paying £1,000 for a day trading course equals £100,000. Simple maths. So what about long-term investing? Well, long-term investing is not as fun or exciting as day trading. However, it's less risky, less stress, and has been proven historically to work. If investing in index funds, minimal time commitment is required, thus it is often very passive. In addition, no risky leverage is required. As billionaire Warren Buffett says, leverage is where you go to die. For example, investing into a passive index fund such as the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the USA, has historically gave a return of 8 to 10% on average. Investing in an index fund is a fantastic way to grow your wealth passively. It beats the 0.1% interest you'll get in a bank account. As your pot grows through the magic of compound investing, you can also receive dividend payments from certain companies which can provide you with a passive income. For even greater rewards, but with more risk, you can invest into individual companies. For example, a £1,000 investment into Amazon in 2009 will be worth nearly £14,000 today. This is an unbelievable return of 1,232%. Wow. So which are the best stocks to invest in? Well, this is up to you. You can get stock tips from various places, including this channel, but it's up to you to evaluate the company yourself, look at its fundamentals, look at your own financial situation, and look how much you're willing to risk on an individual company. Now, I made a previous video on how to evaluate companies using the Warren Buffett method. This details 5 stocks which I invested in during the latest stock market crash. Now, despite me being a long-term investor, these 5 stocks I invested in gave me a gain in 7 days of £1,000. There's a link below for that video. Also, be sure to check out the revolutionary free trading apps such as Free Trade and Trading 212. I did a comparison of these apps also. If you use one of the links below, you will get a free share worth up to £100 when you sign up. I would love to know your thoughts on day trading. Have you tried it? Were you successful? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and definitely subscribe. See you next time.